Today, my dear viewers, I'm gonna give you 3 special recipes which will help you in very easiest way to remove your age skin spots, also acne, blackheads and similar kind of skin condition. When you think about it, age skin spots, 3 main reasons are why you have these age skin spots. First is the lack of vitamin C. Second is chronic lacking in your body mineral that is called zinc. And third one is the resistance to insulin. These 3 very special problems can cause a lot of damage in your skin and can cause age skin spots. When we think about the health, baking soda is the simplest way to get better. Baking soda probably have every household in the world. My 3 special recipes is gonna be on the basis of the baking soda. First recipe for this is the baking soda, lemon juice and olive oil. Take 2 small spoons of baking soda, 1 small spoon of olive oil, and 1 small spoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can add a little more lemon juice if you want a paste-like consistency. Apply to the parts of the skin you want, leave it for the 15 minutes and then rinse. This is the great way to remove age skin spots, acne and similar conditions. But be aware, because of content of lemon juice, you cannot with this mixture on your face go outside and expose yourself to the sun. Okay, when we have the lemon on our skin, we must for everything wash it and go out of the sun if you need to go outside. So this is my first recipe. Second recipe is baking soda, orange juice and jojoba oil. In the small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Apply to the skin. You can use this type of mixture on your skin for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse your skin with lukewarm water. This is very easy to do. And this is also one of the easiest way to remove your age skin spots and other skin condition, and also it will help you to your skin, especially on the face, will be glowing and be a lot healthier. This is the second recipe. Third recipe that you need to know is the baking soda and emu oil. In the small container, mix 1 small spoon of baking soda and 1 small spoon of emu oil. Mix it and apply on the age spots. Leave it for the 20 minutes and wash it with the warm water. This mixture is the best because emu oil has exceptional health benefits for the skin and it removes age spots especially well. A couple more things that you need to know. Any kind of these recipes, you cannot use it 365 days a year. This would be not good for your skin, especially not for the age skin spot. Usually, you take these mixtures, apply on the skin approximately 15-30 days in a row, and then after you need to rest and about 50-30 days more. So 50-30 days apply this mixture on your skin, wash it, then repeat it after you take and rest for another 50 or 30 days. What is also important, those age spots didn't come and they won't go away that easily. The creams will work much faster if you completely change your life. You have to live healthy. A few more recommendations. Take zinc 80 milligrams daily. You will use B complex vitamins, especially vitamin B5, every day. They, along with vitamin C, are the key to eliminating skin problems.